Children, this is your Netra ma'am from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Mathematics class for 4th standard. Children, today we will learn about chapter 12, measurement of weight. After studying this unit, you can recognize different measurements of weighing. Know the method of using a beam balance. Know the different units of measuring weight. Convert kilogram into grams. And add and subtract the measurement of weights. Measuring weight. We measure the weight of solids in grams and kilograms. 1000 grams is equals to 1 kg. Fruits, vegetables and grocery items are also measured in grams and kilograms. These are the normal weights that a greengrocer and grocer have. We use weighing balance to measure the weight of objects. Some people use a spring balance. Comparison using balance. Look at this picture. Where have you seen the object? Yes, in shops. It is called a balance. It is used to measure weight. An apple seller weighs apples by placing the apples on one side and the weights on the other side of the balance. The balance can also be used to compare weights. Let us see how. Place a cucumber on one side and a watermelon on the other side of the balance. The side that has watermelon goes down. It means that the watermelon is heavier than the cucumber. Important terms of weight. Weight of an object is expressed in kilogram and gram. Kilogram is represented by kg and gram is represented by g. If the quantity of an object is less, it is expressed in grams, and if it is more, then it is expressed in kilograms. Children, see this question. Convert the given measurements into grams. Remember children, to convert kilogram into gram, multiply kilogram by 1000. The first question is convert 8 kg to grams. Remember children, 1 kg is equals to how many grams? Yes, 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. Now we should find out 8 kg is equals to how many grams. So we should multiply 8 by 1000. 8 into 1000, 8000. Therefore 8 kg is equals to 8000 grams. See the next question. Convert 9 kg to grams. Remember children, 1 kg is equals to how many grams? Yes, 1000 grams. Now we should convert 9 kg to grams. To do it, we should multiply 9 by 1000. 9 into 1000, 9000. Therefore, 9 kg is equals to 9000 grams. Children, see this question. Convert 4 kg 600 grams to grams. Children, here we have 4 kg 600 grams. First we will convert 4 kg into grams, then add the grams. 1 kg is equals to how many grams? Yes, 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. To do it, we should multiply 4 by 1000 and add 600 grams. 4 multiplied by 1000? Yes, 4 multiplied by 1000 is equals to 4000 plus 600 grams. 4000 grams plus 600 grams is equals to 4600 grams. Therefore, 4 kg 600 grams is equals to 4600 grams. Children, see this question. Convert 7 kg 850 grams to grams. Here we have 7 kg 850 grams. First we will convert 7 kg into grams. Then add the grams. 1 kg is equals to how many grams, children? Yes, 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. To do it, we should multiply 7 by 1000 and add 850 grams. 7 into 1000 is equals to 7000 plus 850 grams. 7000 grams plus 850 grams is equals to 7850 grams. Therefore, 7 kg 850 grams is equals to 7850 grams. Children, now we should add the following. The first question is 42 kg plus 58 kg. First we should add units place digits. They are 2 and 8. What is 2 plus 8? Yes, 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. Write 1 carry above the 4 and write 0 below the 8. Next we should add 1, 4, 5. 1 plus 4 plus 5 is equals to 10. Therefore, 42 kg plus 58 kg is equals to 100 kg. See the next question. 120 kg plus 45 kg. First we should add 0 and 5. What is 0 plus 5? Yes, 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. Next we should add 2 and 4. 2 plus 4, 6. Write 6 below the 4. Next we have only 1. So we should write 1. Therefore 120 kg plus 45 kg is equals to 165 kg. Children, see this question. 57 kg 126 grams plus 39 kg 245 grams. First we should add grams column. Here first we should add 6 and 5. What is 6 plus 5? Yes, 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. Write 1 carry above the 2 and write 1 below the 5. Next we should add 1, 2, 4. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Write 7 below the 4. Next we should add 1 and 2. What is 1 plus 2? Yes, 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Write 3 below the 2. Next we should add kg column. Here first we should add 7 and 9. What is 7 plus 9? Yes, 7 plus 9 is equals to 16. Write 1 carry above the 5 and write 6 below the 9. Next we should add 1, 5 and 3. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Write 9 below the 3. Therefore, 57 kg 126 grams plus 39 kg 245 grams is equals to 96 kg 371 grams. Children, see the second question. 136 kg 240 grams plus 27 kg 126 grams. First we should add grams column. Here first we have 0 and 6. What is 0 plus 6? Yes, 0 plus 6 is equals to 6. Write 6 below the 6. Next we should add 4 and 2. What is 4 plus 2? Yes, 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Next we should add 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Write 3 below the 1. Next we should add kg column. Here first we should add 6 and 7. What is 6 plus 7? Yes, 6 plus 7 is equals to 13. Write 1 carry above the 3 and write 3 below the 7. Now we should add 1, 3, 2. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Write 6 below the 2. Next we have only 1. So we should write 1. Therefore 136 kg 240 grams plus 27 kg 126 grams is equals to 163 kg 366 grams. And now we should solve the following. The first question is Reena buys 10 kg of mangoes, 15 kg of apples and 12 kg of sweet lemon for a function. Find the total weight of fruits she bought. Children, here first we should write weight of mangoes. What is the weight of mangoes? Yes, weight of mangoes is 10 kg. Next we should write weight of apples. What is the weight of apples? Yes, weight of apples is 15 kg. Next we should write weight of sweet lemon. What is the weight of sweet lemon? Yes, weight of sweet lemon is 12 kg. Now we should find out total weight of fruits. First we should add 0, 5, 2. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Write 7 below the 2. Next we should add 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Therefore, total weight of fruits is 37 kg. Now we will solve another word problem. First we should read the question. A sweet shop merchant sells 3 kg 200 gram of sweet in the morning and 6 kg 600 gram in the afternoon. What is the total weight of sweet sold? Children, here first we should write weight of sweet sold in the morning. What is the weight of sweet sold in the morning? Yes, weight of sweet sold in the morning is 3 kg 200 grams. Next we should write weight of sweet sold in the afternoon. What is the weight of sweet sold in the afternoon? Yes, weight of sweet sold in the afternoon is 6 kg 600 grams. Now we should find out total weight of sweet sold by shopkeeper. First we should add grams. Next we should add kg. First we should add 200 plus 600. What is 200 plus 600? Yes, 200 plus 600 is equals to 800 grams. Next we should add 3 kg plus 6 kg. What is 3 plus 6? Yes, 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. Therefore, total weight of sweet sold by shopkeeper is 9 kg 800 grams. Now we should subtract the following. First we should subtract 12 kg from 34 kg. Here first we should subtract 4 kg minus 2 kg. What is 4 minus 2? Yes, 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Write 2 below the 2. Next we should subtract 1 from 3. What is 3 minus 1? Yes, 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Therefore, 34 kg minus 12 kg is equals to 22 kg. Children, see the next question. Subtract 136 kg from 249 kg. Here first we should subtract 6 from 9. What is 9 minus 6? Yes, 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. Write 3 below the 6. Next we should subtract 3 from 4. What is 4 minus 3? 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Write 1 below the 3. Next we should subtract 1 from 2. What is 2 minus 1? Yes, 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Write 1 below the 1. Therefore, 249 kg minus 136 kg is equals to 113 kg. Children, see the next question. Subtract 24 kg 12 grams from 36 kg 27 grams. First we should subtract grams column. Here first we should subtract 2 from 7. What is 7 minus 2? Yes, 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. Write 5 below the 2. Next we should subtract 1 from 2. What is 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Write 1 below the 1. Next we should subtract kg column. Here first we should subtract 4 from 6. 6 minus 4? 2. Write 2 below the 4. Next we should subtract 2 from 3. 3 minus 2? 1. Write 1 below the 2. Therefore, 36 kg 27 grams minus 24 kg 12 grams is equals to 12 kg 15 grams. Children, see the next question. Subtract 149 kg 248 grams from 298 kg 248 grams. First we should subtract grams column. Here first we should subtract 8 from 8. 8 minus 8? 0. Write 0 below the 8. Next we should subtract 4 from 4. 4 minus 4? 0. Write 0 below the 4. Next we should subtract 2 from 2. 2 minus 2? 0. Write 0 below the 2. Next we should subtract kg column. Here first we should subtract 9 from 8. We can't subtract 9 from 8 because 8 is smaller than 9. Now we should borrow 110 from tens place to units place. 110 plus 8 units is equals to 18 units. After borrowing 110 from tens place to units place, tens place is left with 8 tens. Now we should subtract 9 from 18. 18 minus 9? 9. Write 9 below the 9. Next we should subtract 4 from 8. 8 minus 4? 4. Write 4 below the 4. Next we should subtract 1 from 2. 2 minus 1? 1. Write 1 below the 1. Now we should solve the following. First we should read the question. Abdul bought 30 kg of rice. From this 19 kg of rice was used. What is the quantity of rice remaining? Children, here first we should write weight of rice bought by Abdul. How much weight of rice bought by Abdul? Yes, weight of rice bought by Abdul is 30 kg. Next we should write weight of rice used. Weight of rice used is 19 kg. Now we should find out remaining quantity of rice. Here first we should subtract 9 from 0. We can't subtract 9 from 0 because 0 is smaller than 9. So we should borrow 110 from tens place to units place. 110 plus 0 units is equals to 10 units. After borrowing 110 from tens place to units place, tens place is left with 2 tens. Now we should subtract 9 from 10. 10 minus 9, 1. Write 1 below the 9. Next we should subtract 1 from 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Write 1 below the 1. Therefore, remaining quantity of rice is 11 kg. Now we should solve another word problem. First we should read the question. Weight of Anand is 30 kg, 750 grams. Weight of Suresh is 28 kg, 250 grams. Whose weight is more and by how much? Children, here first we should write weight of Anand. What is the weight of Anand? Yes, weight of Anand is 30 kg, 750 grams. Next we should write weight of Suresh. What is the weight of Suresh? Yes, 28 kg, 250 grams. Now we should find out whose weight is more and by how much. To find out, we should subtract 28 kg 250 grams from 30 kg 750 grams. First we should subtract 0 from 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Next we should subtract 5 from 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Next we should subtract 2 from 7. 7 minus 2, 5. Write 5 below the 2. Next we should subtract 8 from 0. We can't subtract 8 from 0 because 0 is smaller than 8. So we should borrow 110 from tens place to units place. 110 plus 0 units is equals to 10 units. After borrowing 110 from tens place to units place, tens place is left with 2 tens. Now we should subtract 8 from 10. 10 minus 8, 2. Write 2 below the 8. Now we should subtract 2 from 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Write 0 below the 2. Therefore, 30 kg 750 grams minus 28 kg 250 grams is equals to 2 kg 500 grams. Therefore, Anand's weight is more than Suresh's weight by 2 kg 500 grams. Children, do this homework. First main, convert 9 kg to grams. Second one, convert 8 kg 600 to grams. Next one, add. Then next one, subtract. And do this activity. Prepare the weighing machine and write their uses. And complete the textbook exercise 12.1, 12.2 and 12.3.